Place your Sustee into your potted plant and insert it down to the level indicated. Water well and give your plant a good soak. Then wait 10 to 15 minutes for your Sustee to change colour. Your Sustee will turn to blue, which is indicating that your plant is now hydrated, and only water again once your Sustee has turned back to white. If your potted plant has already been watered, then simply prime your Sustee first by placing it into a bowl of water and allow the Sustee to turn to blue. Now you can place your primed Sustee back into the already watered pot. Simple.